with an act, and that is the act we are dealing with today, the Mutual Legal Assistance Act. Secondly, I have done a lot of work with the FATF. FATF is Financial Action Task Force. It is a group of G7 and other countries. They set standards on issues of money laundering and asset forfeiture. I am a trained evaluator. I've evaluated 2 countries, one in Africa and one in Europe, on compliance with the 40 recommendations. It is after my contribution to that forum that I came back to Kenya together with my colleagues, and we assisted in legislation of POCAMLA, which is Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering. It is also after that that we assisted with the legislation of Terrorism Finance Acts. A product of that is the FIU, the Financial Reporting Unit, the Asset Recovery Agency, and the National Task Force. I've also done some work with the UN. And at the UN, I assisted Kenya when we were negotiating the United